All right, what's up, YouTube? It is Pacey AI one more time. About to give you another video. Remember to leave a like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. So, really quickly, I wanted to give you guys this video about Notebook LM. Now, personally, I took a class in college back in the day. The name of the class was Algorithms and Data Structures. Now, this is a high level computer science course. And I kind of want to show you the power of Notebook LM and how it can actually help you study. So if you're a person in school and you have concepts that are hard for you to understand, I'm going to basically be showing you what Notebook LM could actually do for you in terms of helping you to understand different complex concepts. They did do some updates on Notebook LM, and that's why I really want to talk about it. There's some really, really cool features. So I'm going to go to my algorithms and data structures notebook. Now you can add sources here. So essentially sources can be PDFs, it can be text documents, markdown documents, it could also be links. It could be Google Drive, docs, slides. So it does have a wide range of different types of sources that you can actually load up. Now, the beauty about Notebook LM is that it, unlike LLMs, large language models that are more for general reasoning and general understanding of different concepts, Notebook LM is specific to the data that you provided. So it is not a general LLM, or it's more of a source-based LLM that basically uses the knowledge that you provide. So this is some of the knowledge that I'm giving it right here. And whatever knowledge I'm providing it, that's exactly what it's using to essentially respond. So if I ask it a question, give me breakdown big O notation, which is a computer science term, what it's going to do, it's going to go through the sources that I provided, and it's going to see if it can find information related to big O notation. And then it's going to essentially give me an output that makes sense based on the knowledge I'm providing it. It's not looking at outside sources. It's not researching the internet. It's not using prior knowledge that it had. It is essentially just using the knowledge that it's given to go ahead and generate this response. Now, what I could also do, I could upvote it to let them know that it was a good response, and I could also save it as a note. So now this is a new saved note. The only problem that I don't like with these notes is that you can't expand it. You can close it, but you can't expand it. I think that's something they need to add for future updates. But essentially, this is your note right here. You can go ahead and copy this or whatever. You can add as many notes as you want. And that's pretty cool. A really, really cool feature that they added. And this is, I think, the coolest feature I've ever seen with any AI platform, in my opinion. Maybe I'm a prisoner of the moment, but this is really, really cool. Now, this is called their audio overview. Now, you can change the speed of this, you can download it, you can delete it. And essentially, once you generate this audio overview, or whatever information you gave this language model, it essentially will take that information and create a podcast about that information. Now I'm going to play this podcast so you guys can hear it. It is really cool. It's so natural sounding. It's crazy. It's like two people. These are agents. These are literal AI agents communicating with each other, but they sound like two real people having a conversation. So let me let you guys hear that.
Ever feel like you're trying to solve a puzzle, but your hands are tied? Like there's a better way, a smarter way.
Yeah, like trying to untangle a whole string of Christmas lights with oven mitts on.
Exactly. It's frustrating.
Yeah.
And in the world of code, that's where algorithms and data structures come in. They're the elegant solutions to those. How on earth do I do this efficiently? Problems.
It's all about working smarter, not harder.
Right. So in this deep dive, we're tackling those university level course excerpts you sent us all about algorithms and data structures. Don't worry though, no pop quizzes here.
We're breaking it down. No CS degree required.
So obviously, as you guys can see, that is incredible. That is incredible. Just hearing them talk like a real podcast and being able to just listen to this as a podcast. Let's say you're studying for school, just being able to hear these things explained as if it's a podcast, that is really, really, really cool. So that's essentially what Notebook LM is. It's a really, really amazing platform. There's also some other things you can do. So you can create a study guide. You can create an FAQ. So if I go ahead and click that, it will create it as a note. I can also create a briefing document. It's available for me to use. Before I end this video, I want you guys to check out Ninja Chat. The link is in the description to that. So without further delay, let me just explain what Ninja Chat is. Introducing Ninja Chat. So Ninja Chat is a platform that actually allows you to use multiple different AI models to do different tasks. It integrates multiple AI models into one, so you don't have to pay for each of these AI models separately. It does give you some credits. So if you start with the basic plan, you get about 1,000 credits per month, and that equals 1,000 messages. You also get 30 image generations per month. So if we look at some of the features, so we have the AI playground, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit more. We also have AI images, chat with PDF, writing library, and then we have the different AI models you can use. So you have the Chat GPT, you have Claude, you have Llama, Perplexity, Gemini, and your favorite, Grok. When you go to the writing library, we have some different tools that we can actually use to improve our writing. Another very cool feature is chatting with PDFs. So you can actually chat with your PDF, upload a PDF right here, ask it questions and get answers. This is great for if you are reading a long PDF and you need answers right away. Also, if you want to generate image, there are 2 image generation models. So you have Stable Diffusion 3 and you have the newest Flux AI Pro model, which is the #1 image generation model out there right now. It is great for generating people, objects, environments. And then finally, you have the AI Playground, which is a feature that allows you to compare prompts from the different models that are on the platform. So as you guys can see, by default, we have GPT-4o, Claude, Llama 3, and Mistral. So if I decide to ask the question, let's say I say, give me a breakdown. So essentially it will write out the response for each of these models, and then I can compare the response and determine which one I think is great. So definitely check this out. Ninja Chat, link is in the description to this one. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Remember to leave a like, share, and subscribe. I'll be putting out more videos like this in the future. Share this with your friends. Let everybody know about this. This is pretty amazing. Let me know what you guys think and have a great day. Pace AI signing out. Peace.